start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I was just about to say, hopefully a quick one. I always say that when it's bits I've been buying, but we'll just keep going, see how far we get. So yeah, just a few random bits that I've been buying, and you know I always like to show you before I put them away. This bag's stuck together and it's doing my head in. Hang on. So I'll start with AliExpress. Got some glitters and some blingage. So I've got these blings, rhinestones, gems, and they're emerald green. I have got some, but not a lot. I'm at the minute topping up all my colours. So yeah, I got them. They're beautiful. So these are glass, 6 different sizes. I like these sets of 6 because you get the tiny dot ones. So yeah, they're a really pretty colour, aren't they? I don't know if they're actually called emerald green. I think emerald green is one shade darker. I'll have to check if these are emerald green. I'm going to leave links for everything below anyway. So I got them. I got another pack of these. So these are glass opal gems, and again you get the tiny little dot ones in them. You get everything you need in that little pack. It'll last me a few months anyway. I love these opal gems though. They're beautiful, aren't they? I really like them. So I got another pack of them. I ordered some of these last month. Let me open these. Yeah, I wanted not so much the small ones because I always buy them separate anyway. These shapes I wanted in pink. I bought some last month, but they had like a bluey purpley colour shift on them. Let me show you. Yes, so these are the ones I got last month. And when they are on a nail, it's hard to tell that they are just pale pink. So I've ordered some more this time, just in the really pale pink. These are beautiful though, they really are. So yeah, you get hearts, diamonds, butterflies, different shaped diamonds, teardrops, horse eye, and then you get a little handful of the normal ones. So I like them. Cute. And I've got a pack of these. These are a pack of 10, and they are tiny. They're smaller than I thought, actually. They are smaller than I thought, which I'm really happy with. And look, they are Chanel. Little Chanel balls, aren't they cute? And he's got quite a few of these to choose from. Now that I know they're this small, I'm going to get some more. You do have to message the seller though and ask him for the pictures and the numbers because he doesn't advertise them. Obviously with them being Chanel. So I'll leave the link below. Anyway, I love them. They're so cute. Right, also off AliExpress, I've got 2 collections of glitters to show you. Now these are all advertised in 10-gram bags. Again, if you message the seller and ask him if you can buy them in 5-gram, he will put an option on for you. He has done it for me. He's done it for Joe Nail Addict. And Cammy asked him as well. And he did it for her, so I don't see why he wouldn't do it for anyone else. So, me and Joe recently bought these in the chunky version, like Hex Mix, and they're beautiful. So, we went on the hunt to find them in the fine version, and we have. So, these are like chameleon. Some of them have not got much of a colour shift, but the ones that do have a colour shift are stunning. So, yeah, they're not ultra fine, they're just fine. So let's quickly get through them. So this is like a copper gold, and it's got a red going through it. Yellowy green. They are stunning, guys. Look at the red as well. They're beautiful. So there's 12 in this collection. So this one is a purple with a hot pink going through it. Stunning, aren't they? And then we've got this. This is gold, but it's actually got a pink. Can you see it shift to pink? Isn't it beautiful? Love these. This one's not got much of a colour shift. It's like an aqua blue. And it just shifts to like a darker aqua bluey green. Not much of a colour shift on that one. And this one, oh my gosh. This is one of my favourites. So it's got blues, greens, golds, pinks. Can you see that ultraviolet as well? The colours that come out of these is stunning, isn't it? Wow. And yeah, you can get this in a chunky hex mix version. They're beautiful. So this one is like, gosh, this has got like a pink, a bronzy, coppery, gold. It's beautiful, isn't it? Can you see? They're beautiful. This one again is like a copper, and it shifts to like a gold. Stunning. This one's another nice one. This has got red, green, purple. Oh my gosh, can you see the colour shifts? Isn't it amazing? Absolutely amazing. I'd love to go to a factory for the day, you know, like a day out experience, and watch how they make all these glitters. Again, this is a stunning one. Greens, purples, blues, pinks. The camera just does these glitters no justice. The colour shifts that come off them is stunning. And then we've got this one. Wow, there's greens, there's blues, there's pinks, there's purples. Aren't they stunning? The camera's struggling with this one. And then two more. Again, this one, not much of a colour shift, but I can actually see this is a mixture of pink and silver. Yeah, I think this is just a standard one, really. There's not much going on in that one, but it's still pretty. And then this one, look. So this is... it's like a pink, but it's got a red shift and a purple shift. Stunning, aren't they? I got this collection. Again, this is in 10 gram bags, but I've asked the seller to make smaller bags. I got this collection. Again, this is a collection of 12 because it reminds me of the Sweet collection, Sparkle Supplies. I love these glitters. So this is like, they're not the massive hex. They're like more like a medium hex. So this is pink, purple and white, and it's iridescent. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. Yeah, and they're just all mixed colours. Look at this. Purple, pinks, yellows. Yeah, just reminds me of my favourite ever collection, which is the Sweet collection from Sparkle Supplies. And then this one is like a pale pink and a darker pinky purple. Aren't they pretty? So I'm just going to fly through these now. This one reminds me of opal fruits from various places actually. I think A&A Glitter do one, Sparkles do one, Charlie's Nail Art does one. Yeah. And then we've got another mixed one, yellow, iridescent white and pinks. Aren't they beautiful? So I'm just going to fly through these now because they're all just, yeah, they're all very similar. I like this one, orange, blue and like a deep red or a deep orange. That's pretty, isn't it? I love these. And then this one, again. They're all similar but different, if that makes sense. And this is like the opal fruits, but this has got a darker pink in with it. I love these. And then we've got another. And then these last two are very similar. Yeah, one's got a darker purple, one's got a lighter pink, I think. Right, that one's got the iridescent white and that one hasn't. That's the difference between them two. Yeah, I love these two glitters. I think this is my favourite one out of this collection. Pink, purple and then like an iridescent white. So that is that one. So, quickly, I'll show you a few other things I got. These are actually off. I got these off Born Pretty website in the sale. These are, I've already got a box of these, a box of 12 off Amazon. But the ones I got, the nib, the point on them is quite fat. You couldn't really use them on nails. So these are acrylic paint markers. So I got black and white. I got gold and silver. Then I got yellow, green, pink, purple and blue. I think the only one I didn't get was red. And I don't know why. I don't know why I just didn't get red. So yeah. Let's open one. Yeah, I bought a box of these off Amazon, but the nibs on them are quite wide. You couldn't use them on nails. But these ones off the Born Pretty website, they've got a really fine point to them. I don't want to get the ink out and use it. Do you know what? I'm going to do a video on these and we'll use them in a video. I haven't really got time today anyway. So they're water-based, so you don't have to cure them in the lamp or anything. So yeah, I'm excited to use them. So yeah, I've got them. I'll leave the link to them as well. I got some more tips. I got some of these tips off Amazon from a different brand ages ago and I loved them. So these are off Amazon. This is the brand, Peruvian. And these are medium square. I love them for my own nails. And I make a lot of press-ons for family. And these are perfect. They're pre-etched, pre-buffed. Very, very soft. And they're just a really, really nice natural kind of length. So that is a number 2012. Yeah. And they're just a nice length, aren't they? They're not too long, but they're not too short. I really like the look of them. Right, I got a box of these. These are just 70% alcohol wipes. These are really handy if I'm going to a family's house, doing nails or anything. They're just, show you one. They're just like the alcohol swabs you get at the hospital, aren't they? If I can get it out. Yeah, and they're quite damp as well. With, yeah, 70% alcohol, so they're cool, aren't they? I like them. I like this packaging as well. Nice pink with the love art. They're cool. I got these. I'm waiting on 2 more coming because these were supposed to be clear. And they've turned up and both of them are white. So this is just 5-in-1 builder gel. The 5-in-1, I think they tell you it can be used as a base coat, reinforcement gel, builder gel, rhinestone glue. Can't remember what the other one is, but yeah, this is like a milky white. Quite an opaque white, actually. I mean, I'll still use them, but it is definitely not clear what I wanted. I've had a few bits from this brand, Oliver, and I've always thought they were really good quality. I've always liked them. Right, and lastly, I'll show you this. I got this for my nail drill bits, because I've got quite a few nail drill bits now, but they're all just in single tubes. So I got this so I can have them all in one place, and it's a really good, and it's quite heavy. It's got like a rubber on the bottom to stop it sliding. Yeah, you put all your drill bits in there, and then it's got like a metal wire brush. So you turn your drill on with your drill bit spinning and just put it in there to clean it. And this one's more of a softer one. So I like that. There's plenty of room in there to store all my drill bits. What I like as well is it's got a wall. It's got a wall there. So whilst you're cleaning your drill bits, it's not going to splash onto all your other drill bits. So I like that. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to leave it there. I'll leave all links below. Oh, I'm dreading this, finding the links to everything. But yeah, all links will be below. If I missed any, just ask me. But yeah, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.